Today we dive into Jasper.ai, a powerful AI writing tool that takes the internet by storm. From blog posts to production descriptions, social media captions, and even AI art. Jasper helps you create high-quality original content quickly and easily. Imagine you're a blogger and want to write a captivating post, maybe about a new recipe. Open Jasper and click Create New Content. From here, select New Blog Post. Fill out the blog topic and add some key ingredients, a short description and a tone of voice. Now click Generate and watch as Jasper crafts a well-structured blog post in seconds. Once you have the draft, you can go and add your own personal touch to make it unique. Jasper's ability to produce a fully formed post is a huge time saver. Use Jasper's rewrite tool to improve sections or change the tone if needed. You can also try making product descriptions. Enter the product name, give a brief description and set the tone of voice. Hit generate and Jasper will produce a compelling description highlighting the product's key features. Experiment with different tones to find what best suits your audience. Jasper supports tones like witty, formal, or enthusiastic. You can also select different sections to revise, making it perfect for multi-part posts. Let's try creating a social media caption. Enter the topic, desired tone and keywords. Hit generate and you'll see a list of creative captions ready for posting or scheduling. From catchy tweets to engaging Instagram captions, Jasper has you covered. Schedule captions with relevant hashtags and emojis to increase engagement. You can also create a compelling ad copy. Just use Google Ads preset. Enter your product name, audience, and specific benefits you want to highlight. Jasper generates a list of ad options that you can pick and adjust as needed. Jasper can create persuasive ad copy that fits seamlessly into any marketing campaign. Finally, you can create art. Describe your image, select a mood and style, such as exciting or photography, and click Create Art. Jasper will create realistic images to use in your post. Jasper also has a Chrome extensions, which is great for drafting emails, social posts, and more without switching tabs. As you can see, Jasper.ai has so much to offer. Prices start at $49 a month.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.